All right, buenos dias, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Gabe Strom here with another training video, this time on a little website called YouTube you might have heard of. And I just wanted to show you guys, now a lot of people are talking about YouTube and how they're using videos and things like that to market and get free leads and traffic, but I want to show you guys kind of the backside of YouTube and some little techniques that not a lot of people are talking about on how to actually analyze your target market and get a better feel for who exactly is following you and what does your target market look like. Now this is, let me log on and see if I can can't talk and type passwords at the same time. But why is it important to understand your target market? Or the reason it's important to understand your target market is because this is who you know how to, or how you know how to actually critique and tailor your message, custom tailor your message to speak directly to the hot buttons of your target market and influence them to buy, obviously. If you're in business for yourself, the end result is to create sales and revenue. So understanding your target market is absolutely critical in this process because a lot of beginning marketers out there just go out there and start marketing. They assume they believe what their target market is looking for, and that is a cardinal mistake in marketing. You got to go backwards and find out who is your target market, what are they looking for, and then tailor your message, not vice versa. So I'm on my YouTube page here. Let's just dive in and I'll show you what I'm talking about because I'm going to go into edit channel here. YouTube has built their platform in such a way that gives you some very, very valuable information. So just log into my account. I'm going to go down to videos here. This is my back office in YouTube, and show you guys some of the cool things that YouTube shows us on your videos here. So as you can see, here's a list of the videos I've created in the past couple months here. I'm going to go down to one of these videos has got my young real estate investor video, has over 1,600 clicks in the past 3 months or so. I'm going to click on Insights, and this is where the goodies are, guys. Once this loads up here, we've got views. I'm going to turn this to 3 months so we can see kind of a snapshot. Popularity, discovery, and demographics. So let's start with demographics. And the reason this is powerful is because YouTube shows us this cool little pie chart of exactly who is watching your video. So for this particular video, my video I was actually interviewed in our office by Telemundo a couple months back, 78% who are finding and watching this video are actually male. For whatever reason, I don't know. But the other important thing to note is that this particular demographic is actually the majority in the age bracket of 35 to 44. Followed by a slightly older age bracket, 45 to 54, and then into my age bracket, the 25 to 34 year olds in third place. So majority of the traffic is coming from 25 to 54, that middle of the road bracket, and this tells me a lot about who's actually watching this. And I don't know why. I'd like to think that I would attract more females. Maybe the real estate investing thing. Maybe dudes are more into real estate investing than women are. I don't know. But let's move on to discovery. So demographics tells us who is watching the videos and who is watching that piece of content that you created. Discovery, on the other hand, is showing you how they found you. How they found you. So as you can see, it breaks it down in order from the highest to least. Related videos has actually tied YouTube search, both at 32%. So let me open up another YouTube page here and show you real quick for you newbies what that means. Let's just pick on something funny here. I saw a Chris Rock video earlier. I'm not going to spend too much time here. Okay, whatever. Britney Spears. Everyone loves Britney Spears, right? Okay, what happens is I'm going to pause this video because we have heard all too much from Britney Spears already, but the related videos is what pops up when you do a search for, say, Britney Spears. This video might pop up or something else. The related videos are things that have similar keywords either in the title, get out of here, either in the title or in the the tags or the information of the video over here on the right. So that's what related videos is. YouTube's goal is to give you other videos that you might be interested in, since they know you're searching for a particular topic. So for whatever reason, the YouTube search and related videos is tied, meaning that my title of my video might not be totally relevant, which is why it's not being searched for number one. Other cool things to note here, 9% guys of traffic going to this video is actually coming from Google. So this is another representation of how much Google loves videos. And I'm going to show you an example on the next video real quick here. Popularity shows us where in the world people are actually watching these videos. So majority is from US, followed by Canada, and in third place, Cambodia. Don't know why. Very interesting. South Africa, we got Malaysia, Singapore, and Bangladesh down here. So people all across the world are watching this. That shows me that people all across the world are interested in real estate investing. And then, of course, views, this kind of breaks down how many views on a daily basis. So kind of in the prime here, we're getting upwards of probably 38 clicks a day. Now we're bouncing around between probably 5 and 10. So something else to kind of keep note on. So let me go into another video, and I'll show you something else really cool here. I'm going to analyze a couple more with you and give you a snapshot of what this shows us. Let's go into the Camera Midget video. This is a little spoof we did for a production company that we have created. Let's pop this up here. I'm going to again turn views on to 3 months to give us kind of a wide view and start with demographics. And again, there's that 73% male, and again in that middle age bracket, 35 to 44, followed by the younger age brackets. Discovery here. Okay, this is interesting. Now, 40% of people, the highest discovery category is coming from the YouTube search. Now, why in the world people are searching for camera midgets is beyond me. This was kind of a little test that we did, or real estate investing tips, or together to see how that would work out. But look at this, though. Google search. 11% of the traffic for this video is coming from Google. So let me show you where that's coming from. This was pretty cool because we used a little strategy, camera midgets, to see how high we could actually get ranked on Google. And as you can tell here, there's about over 3 million links or websites for camera midgets, and number 1, 2, 3, and number 4 are all our videos. Now you can see some of these are on Technorati and buying foreclosed homes, other websites, home ID guides. So YouTube is really powerful in getting your message out on other sites, but we've dominated the 1, 2, 3, and 4 spot of camera midget. Why people search for camera midgets, I don't know. This is just a little test we did with a little strategy that I actually teach in our mini series on the website. You can go back and watch that. It's the first lesson for free. But let me go back into YouTube Insight here. That's where that Google search is coming from. And let me show you one more video real quick here. Let me go back to my videos, and I will show you the recent video we just uploaded. There's an interesting stat here. The Young Genius Guide to Twitter, I uploaded it about 3 days ago. Today is the 29th, I believe. We've had 109 clicks in 3 days, 8 comments. So I've been kind of tweaking and testing with how ratings and comments actually affect the video. Oops, I went to the wrong area here. Let's back up. Let's go into Insight, not Edit, and pull up the Insight for this video. We've got about a minute and a half left. Go to 3 month, which this is a brand new video, so we're getting between 39 and 26 probably clicks a day. We'll go into demographics. Boom, again, mostly dudes. Mostly 45 to 54. We'll go into discovery. Here's what I wanted to show you. Look at this, guys. External links, 30%. Now, what does that mean? Because in the last 2 videos I showed you, external links wasn't even on the radar. It might have been like 1 or 2% down here at the bottom. Why is this video so high, and what is the external links? Excuse me. I've got Monster coming back up in my system right now. Now, the reason this is so high is I did a little test. I actually released this video originally on my Facebook network. And I'm friends with about 1,200 people on Facebook that are in my Facebook network. So I uploaded that to the Young Genius fan page first as a guide to hopefully assist and add some value to the Facebook network who may or may not have heard of Twitter and how to use it yet. But I also put a link next to that video on Facebook towards YouTube, which is where most of, or the highest percentage of traffic is actually coming from. So this is just some cool things, guys. You can kind of tinker with this stuff and play around. There's hundreds of websites out there, of Web 2.0 websites that do video that you can sync with. But this stuff's really, really powerful because it tells you, 1, who is watching your videos, again. Number 2, discovery, how they are finding your videos, where exactly they're coming from, so what's actually working. popularity, where in the world is your traffic coming from, and views, what little things are happening to influence it. So really cool stuff, guys. Start implementing this in your business. This is some powerful strategies that you can tell to help analyze your target market and hopefully get some more exposure. So I'm out, guys. Adios.